MeetGeek, now available in ChatGPT. You use ChatGPT every day, but there was one thing missing until now. MeetGeek now connects your entire meeting history to ChatGPT. Get answers grounded in your calls. Decisions, action items, next steps, it's all there. And with ChatGPT Agent, it doesn't stop at answers. It takes action. Building dashboards, automating tasks, handing off work, all from your meeting data. Your data stays yours. Nothing is used for model training. MeetGeek for ChatGPT. Your meetings, finally part of the conversation.